Welcome to my video. Today we are exploring the Mantralayam where Raghavendra Swami temple is located. It is a place of immense faith and tranquility. And Raghavendra Swami was a renowned Hindu saint and a proponent of Dvaita Vedanta. Shortly, Dvaita means it separates the individual soul and the God as eternally distinct and separate entities. And here we see the Raghavendra Swami temple, which emphasizes dualism or the Dvaita philosophy. So, I am going to show you several scenes in and around this Mantralaya temple where Raghavendra Swami Vrindavana is located. I hope you enjoy watching the video. This is a scene at 5 a.m. early morning. The Raghavendra Swami Mutt opens up with its devotional music and devotees. Let's go inside. You can see the Raghavendra Swami Vrindavana and devotees going around the Vrindavana in the early morning. Now we are witnessing the presence of 108 Sri Subudendra Tirtharu, the Pitadipati of Sri Raghavendra Swami Mutt at Mantralayam. Every morning, the Swamiji performs Go Puja, which means offering of food to cow and its calf. Stories of Mahabharata and Ramayana, the two greatest epics of Indian history, is also narrated here in this space through the use of loudspeakers, as you can see now.
ಯಥೇಚ್ಛವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಆ ಬಲಿಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾಗವನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಂದ್ರ ಪದವಿಗೆ ತಾನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯಾಂ ಪದವಿ ನಿಚ್ಚನ್ ಪದತ್ತೇವ ನಮಸ್ತೆಯ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ತಾಳಿ ತಂದು ಒಟ್ಟು
So here you see nice paintings and artwork and also details on different avatars of Lord Vishnu and also the famous pilgrimage sites in India. And you also see stories of Ramayana and Mahabharata. depicted as paintings here.
ವಾಮನ ರೂಪದಿಂದ ತ್ರಿವಿಕ್ರಮನಾಗಿ ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತನಾಗಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಪುಟ್ಟ ವಾಮನನ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ತಾನು ಧಾರಣ ಮಾಡಿದ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು
I wish Lord Vishnu blesses every one of us and we may get all the successes that we wish for. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. Thank you for watching my video.
ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರು ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನು ಸ್ತುತಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Consider subscribing to my channel for more similar videos I'm going to cover in the near future.